Namaste, I'm Dr. Preeti Srinivasan, the first quadriplegic woman to ever complete a PhD in the history of India. I'm also the founder of Soul Free, an organization that is supporting more than 3,000 persons with spinal cord injury. I wanted to really thank the people at Dragon Naturally Speaking for supporting me throughout. It is because of the Dragon Naturally Speaking software. It is an assistive software beyond excellence. I'm able to handle the computer with complete independence, and I'm able to write as much as I want with complete accuracy and speed. At this at the speed of this dictation, I'm able to type on the computer, and it gives me so much joy and so much freedom to do all the things I want to do. I am able to positively impact more than 3,000 lives and inspire so many more because of the Dragon Naturally Speaking software. So I want to thank Nuance Systems and all the people at Dragon from the bottom of my heart, because my dragon is almost a part of me now. And I would suggest for everyone to go and purchase this product, because I often tell people, I don't understand why you bother with your fingers, because with your voice you can do so much more with better speed and accuracy. Thank you so much.